Hello, how you doing? So another air fryer recipe today. Today we're going to do this lovely chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use any part of the chicken you want. We've got garlic, lemon, butter, mushrooms, onions. Doesn't take long. It's beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so stage one of this lovely chicken dish. We've got here 6 chicken thighs. The bone is in, the skin is off. That's 500 grams, so yeah, about a pound of meat there. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano or oregano, as many of you call that. What we're going to do is get a bowl, give that a mix with a touch of oil. So you can see that I've got the onion and I've got the chicken in there. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then teaspoon salt, pepper, oregano, as I call it, and then some oil just to bring it together. Maybe 3 tablespoons there. We're going to give that a quick mix, then we're ready. So as you can see, I've got one of these aluminium or tin foil things here, takeaway type containers. I like to use those inside the air fryer. I like to do it because it retains all the juices and the moistures that we're going to have in there. So that I've worked that out. I've bought that one. It fits in nicely, just fits really nicely into my air fryer. You don't have to do this. I just find it's a bit better. It's also a bit cleaner as well. Right, let's pop the chicken in. So I've just placed all the mixture inside. What we're going to do is pop that in. That's going to go in for 15 minutes at 180. So while our stage 1 of chicken is in the air fryer, let's just take a look at this. We're going to pop this in as well for stage 2. I've got some mushrooms there. I've just quartered them, fresh mushrooms, a couple of cups. Juice of 1 lemon, and here I've got about 30 grams of butter. So once the 15 minutes is over, we're going to pop them in and we're going to go back on. Fantastic. So there we go. That was in for 15 minutes, looking fantastic. Now I didn't mention to you that what I'd done halfway through is I just turned them over, flipped them over. So what we're going to do here is we're going to grab our mushrooms and just get them in. Cut them smaller if you want. Just get that butter in there like that. The juice of 1 lemon there. And we're going to go back in for about 7 or 8 minutes now. So as you can see, my container fits nice and snugly into my basket. Here we go. Okay, and again, we're on 180. Okay, and here we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. So there you go, really, really simple and beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. So now maybe you can see why the tin foil or the aluminium foil thing really works. It really sort of maintains that moisture and juice, keeps that chicken really beautiful. Hope you enjoyed that. See you soon. Take care. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.